Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to the second episode of Python Learning. So today we are going to see the installation of PyCharm software on which we are currently doing the coding of Python. So the requirements of this software include good internet connection and the storage space which is to be approximately 378 MBs. Now moving towards our first step. So now moving to the first step of installation. First moving towards Google and writing PyCharm and selecting the option PyCharm download and entering it. You have to select the first option, which is download PyCharm, which is Python IDE for professional developers. And now when coming to this page, you have to select community one because it is free and open for everyone. As you can see that your download has been started. Let's wait for the download. So now the download of PyCharm is completely done. So now open it by clicking on it. Okay. So you have to click run option and it will start the installation. First of all, it will ask you, here you have to click yes, and now let's see, it will take some time. As I have already installed PyCharm, so they are asking me if I again want to continue, so I'm going to say yes. Now click on next. Don't select any of these options, continue to next. Well, here you have to decide in which disk you really want your software to be. So now let me browse. I am currently using my D drive as it contains more space as compared to my C and E drive. So now next. Well, here they are asking me if I want to create desktop shortcut. If you want, then you can easily click on it, and the rest of it let it remain as it is. Now moving towards next. Okay, so now they're asking you the starter menu folder. So I have used the JetBrains, which is used by PyCharm. So now click on install. So it will now take some time for installation. So even the download and the installation completely depends upon the speed of your CPU. If your speed is great, or even the connection of internet is great, it would take minimum half an hour to or even 15 minutes to complete your installation plus the download. But if your speed is less, then you have to take. So as the installation is completely done, now simply click on the software to open it. So as now the PyCharm is open, you can see here. So the best part of PyCharm is that it gives you some tips according to its software. Well, it is given to you each day, and here it is. You can even read the tips carefully and apply them in your code, which can make your code quite easier and more effective. Okay, now let's close it. So here it is your PyCharm software. Now how you can make your own project. First step is that you have to open your file folder, or you have to click on the file option and then select the first option, which is new project, and then here you have to select the location where you want your project to be, and then click on the option create. Now let me close it. Here it is, and then you will get this type of environment, or this type of setup. Okay, so now let me introduce to you some of your main or basic options in this software, which is edit. We have some cut options, copy options, even paste. These all options are given in your edit box. View option, which also contains many options regarding to its to the environment of the software, which is appearance. You can even use main menu to. You can even select your toolbar, status bar widgets related to it. You have navigate option, code option, refactor option, run option, tools which you want to use. You have VCS, window, and help option. Well, if you want your Python, or you can say even if you want your PyCharm environment to be like more coding one, you can use settings option, and then you can use file colors. You have to first of all go towards appearance, and then you have to click on which theme you want it to be, which color background image, anything you want here to be selected. Well, you can explore more yourself in this software, as it is much more easier than other softwares. Well, now let me write something in this coding area. Let us write print. Here it is. You get it? It's showing us the snippet and giving us the options. What should we do? What should the round bracket should contain? It is telling us that it should contain some values or object related to it. Well, let's say I'm writing hello world, and then you can even click on run from right over here, or you can even choose the run option from here. It's totally upon you where you choose. So here it is. You get hello world written inside it. Well, that's